Yesterday we proved some identities of trigonometric functions. Now student, we are going to prove next identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Yesterday we had written here a, cosec square a minus cot square a. So this is theta. Angle can be represented by theta also, student. Suppose this is a, so we can write a theta also. Okay. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta. We know that, student, by पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले खा के चाय समोसे छोले. Cosec theta equal to h upon p. Square is there, so h square upon p square minus cot square theta. Cot is b upon p, so b square upon p square. We can take LCM, students. P square is LCM. P square cancel. H square minus b square. Now students, we are going to put h square equals to p square plus b square by Pythagoras theorem. So at the place of h square we can write p square plus b square. So it will become p square plus b square minus b square as it is upon p square. So b square cancel. P square upon p square. So it is 1. Okay, students. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1 we have proved. Okay. Now students, we can write two more identities by using cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. If we transpose cot square theta this side, then it will become cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Or if we transpose 1 this side, so 1 will be negative, then cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. Okay, students. So if 1 plus cot square theta is given, so we can write cosec square theta at the place of 1 plus cot square theta. Or if cosec square theta minus cot square theta is given, so we can write at 1 at this place. Cosec square 30 minus cot square 30 is given, so we can write 1 here. Because both angles should be equal, then we can write 1. So we can use these identities, student. Let us solve one question. Question number 1. If sin A equals to 5 upon 13, find the values of the following: cos A, tan A, cosec A, cos C, cot C or sec C. So students, you can see sin A is given to us. Sin A 5 upon 13. So we know that sin theta equals to P upon H. So we have to draw right triangle ABC, right angle at B. So then side in front of B means AC will be hypotenuse. Side in front of A, BC, will be perpendicular, and BA equals to, BA will be base. Sin A equals to 5 upon 13. So let perpendicular equals to 5K and hypotenuse equal to 13K. So this is perpendicular, student, for angle A. So it is 5K and this is hypotenuse. So it is 13K. So why we are taking here K? Because it is ratio, student. We don't know its actual value. That's why we have to take here K, perpendicular equals to 5K and hypotenuse equals to 13K. Now students, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So we can use Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. So hypotenuse value 13K, perpendicular value 5K, base value AB square. we have to find out AB. So 13k square equal to 169k square, 5k square equal to 25k square plus AB square. So 169k square minus 25k square equals to AB square. So 144k square equals to AB square. So AB equals to root 144k square. AB equal to 12k. Square root of 144 is 12. Okay, students. So we have got base 12k. So student, always remember when this kind of question will be there, one ratio is given to us and other trigonometric ratios we have to find out. So we have to use this method. We have to draw a triangle, write the given ratio, write equals to P upon H, B upon H, what is this? Then after we have to put the value here, use Pythagoras theorem, find out third side. Okay. After then we can find out easily all the ratios. So we have to find out cos A, tan A, cosec A. So let us find out cos A. Cos A. Cos A equals to B upon H square or angle A. So this is angle A. So this will be base and this is hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. So that's why I have written AB upon AC. AB equal to 12k, AC equal to 13k. K cancel. So cos A equals to 12 upon 13. Now student, we have to find out tan A. So tan A equals to P upon B, perpendicular upon base. भाई पंडित बद्दी प्रसाद हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले खा के चाय समोसे छोले. So perpendicular, this is A. In front of A, BC is there. So this is perpendicular, student. Base AB. I told you students which angle is given here, that side will be base. So A is given here, it means this is base and this is perpendicular, student. So 5k upon 12k, k cancel, 5 upon 12. Now student, cosec A. Cosec A equals to H upon P. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular for angle A. For angle A, hypotenuse AC and perpendicular BC. AC upon BC, 13k upon 5k, k cancel, 13 upon 5. Now students, we are going to find out cos C. Cos C equals to base upon hypotenuse. Correct? So base value, base name, AB. No students, we have to check the angle. Which angle is this? C. So for C student, BC will be base. Okay. So base upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. BC value 5k, AC value 13k. So 5k upon 13k, k cancel, 5 upon 13. Now student, cot C. For C, BC is base. Always remember students, the angle which is given here, that side will be base. So BC is base. For angle A, AB is base. Correct? So we have to find cot C. Cot equals to B upon P. So for C, BC is base and AB is perpendicular. So BC upon AB. 5k upon 12k. K cancel, 5 upon 12. Now sec C student. Sec C. Sec equals to H upon B. For C, what is base? For C, base is BC. Hypotenuse will remain same, AC. So AC upon BC. AC value 13k, BC value 5k, k cancel, 13 upon 5. So students, this is the method of finding the other trigonometric ratios when one ratio is given to us. So always remember students, don't be confused for A and C. If A is written, so we have to find out value for angle A. For A, this is base and this is perpendicular. Hypotenuse will always same. And for angle C, BC is base AB is perpendicular and hypotenuse will remain same. Okay students, so these value which are written here, cos A, tan A and C are showing angle. Correct students? So this is the method. One thing more student, suppose cos square is written, it means cos A into cos A. Cos square 30 means cos 30 degree into cos 30 degree. These are angles. We cannot write cos square 30 equals to cos square 100, 900. 30 square 900. No, it's wrong. Cos square 30 means cos 30, cos 30. Two times we have to write. We have to take its value. Then we have to multiply. So these AC showing here angle. Okay. So don't be confused students. Okay then.